Hey guys, it's Mike with All American down in Savannah. I was having a cup of coffee this morning and decided I wanted to talk about selling value, not price. Almost anyone can go buy a pressure washer and figure out how to clean stuff. I don't know about you, but I didn't build my business on just cleaning stuff. I built it on quality work, great customer service, and value, not price. A few years ago, I was talking with a buddy of mine about coffee makers. I just bought one of ththose Keurigs and was telling him how much I loved it. He told me that he'd looked at them too, but he did a cost analysis and that each of the little K-cups was about 23 cents more expensive than a traditional coffee maker. So he didn't buy one. I hadn't done a cost analysis because I was sold the first time I saw the thing. It was fast, simple, and easy. 1 cup or 4 cups, 0 waste. I was sold on the value it had to me, not the price. It's our job as business owners to convey that same sense of value about our service to our customers. By showing our customers the value of doing business with us, we can show them that we're going to solve their problems. The cost of your service hopefully won't even be an issue. A great example. A few years ago, I got a call from a general manager at a car dealership. At that time, I didn't know it, but they had 3 Lexus dealerships, a Toyota dealership, and a Jeep dealership. He asked if I could come out and talk with him, and of course I did. Had a huge, gorgeous stucco building with tons of black mold. We walked around the property and talked about his frustration with the previous company who was there just 5 months earlier, and he was right. It was a horrible job. After our walkthrough, I went home and I worked up the price and sent it over to him. He replied almost immediately that I was twice as high than what he paid last time. Big building, big price, last company didn't perform, and we will. I told him that the building was going to look brand new and stay looking brand new for at least a year. He then asked if there was a guarantee on the work. I told him that I guarantee the building is going to look brand new again. I guaranteed him that all the surface pollutants were going to be removed from the building, including the black mold. I guaranteed that the likelihood of us having to come back in the next 12 months was very low, but I would guarantee that we would come back and spot clean, if necessary, over the next 12 months. Of course, that didn't happen because we did it right the first time. What I'm taking away from this is selling value. I never addressed the concern of his price. I knew the previous company did a horrible job and that my guys would do it right. I pointed out the problem areas and he obviously agreed with me. I sold him on the value of doing business with my company and the quality of work, not the price. After we finished a job, he had us clean all the other dealerships and we've been doing them ever since. As a small business owner, you have to be close to every aspect of your business, from sales to marketing, maybe even the guy doing the work. And what better way to have the confidence to sell the fact that the service will be done right and your customers' issues will be solved. Knowing your service is the best option for your customers gives you the confidence needed to be a great salesperson. Hope you can take something away from this. I hope you subscribe. I hope you ring that bell, but most importantly, stay positive.